Walmart, Spark, and Uber Eats pay drivers differently, because one is built around scheduled shopping and delivery orders, while the other depends on restaurant deliveries and customer demand. The higher-paying app is usually the one offering better orders in your market at that moment. By the end of this video, you'll know how Walmart, Spark, and Uber Eats compare on earnings, order types, flexibility, and which platform makes more sense for your driving style. Here's the short answer. If you're looking for larger grocery deliveries with upfront pay shown before accepting an order, Walmart Spark is often the better fit. If you want more frequent delivery opportunities throughout the day and night, Uber Eats usually offers greater flexibility. The first difference is the type of work. Walmart Spark focuses on grocery pickup, shopping orders, and retail deliveries from Walmart stores. Many offers involve delivering multiple grocery orders in one trip. Uber Eats mainly handles restaurant meals, although it also includes grocery and convenience store deliveries in many areas. Now let's talk about earnings. Both platforms display estimated pay before you accept most deliveries, so you can decide whether an order is worth your time. Your actual income depends on order availability, distance, tips, traffic, and how busy your local market is. Neither platform guarantees that one driver will consistently earn more than another. Scheduling also matters. Walmart Spark can have fewer available delivery windows in some markets because drivers compete for offers from nearby stores. Uber Eats generally lets drivers go online whenever they want, and often provides a steady stream of delivery requests during lunch, dinner, weekends, and local busy periods. Expenses should also be part of your decision. No matter which app you choose, you're responsible for fuel, vehicle maintenance, insurance, and taxes. A higher-paying order isn't always more profitable if it requires a long drive or keeps you away from busy delivery areas. Many experienced gig drivers don't choose only one platform. They use both apps and accept deliveries from whichever service offers the best opportunity at that time. That approach can reduce downtime and help keep earnings more consistent throughout the day. Before committing to either platform, download both apps if they're available in your area. Compare the number of available orders, the average driving distance, and the offers shown during the hours you actually plan to work. To sum it up, Walmart Spark is often stronger for retail and grocery deliveries. Uber Eats usually offers more scheduling flexibility, and your local market has the biggest impact on how much you can earn. Try both platforms for a few shifts before deciding which one deserves most of your driving time. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other gig economy guides.